Today is day 9 of our 90-day challenge, and today we are in Uptown, Celina, and we're going to take a look at a beautiful Taylor Morrison home. This is a single story, and it is amazing.
Yeah, the best part is the pricing. Patrice, this
no.
thing starts at $715, and this is a 70-foot lot. I love this floor plan. It may be one of my new favorites, so I can't wait to show you guys. Look at the courtyard.
Take a look at this courtyard. I love this. I could picture sitting out here all the time. All right, let's take a look inside. Look at these tall, tall ceilings as you walk in. I love that.
And remember, this is a single story.
I know.
You know, so I mean, what are those, like 15-foot ceilings?
Yes.
It's really nice. And then right off to your right, you've got a double entry media room. Patrice, come on.
I know, right? This is a spot we would definitely hang out in.
Oh, I would totally hang out here. And then, you know, with those 100-inch TVs, that'd be perfect in here. You kind of take up that whole wall. You know, I could see the kids playing video games in here. And then the best part is you can just close it off. And if there is a mess or whatever, it's pretty self-contained.
Yeah.
Which is nice. If you come over to the left side of the house, you've got this half bath, the powder bath for all the guests.
We love the half bath. That's a great thing to have.
And then look at this giant office.
Yeah.
Again, double doors, perfect. They have it set up for 2 workers in here, which is like perfect for like us, right? We both work from home.
And then look at the nice windows right there that goes to that courtyard.
I know, overlooking the courtyard makes a big difference.
It really does.
Right? But come on through here. You guys, wait till you see where they have the fireplace and stuff. I mean, oh my heart.
Another room I would never leave.
Yes. So look at this. Take this in.
This is fantastic. Look at all the windows and just all that light coming in.
Yeah, you've got these sliders to your big patio, which is nice.
Yes.
And then the whole kitchen area. I love the color of the cabinets.
This cabinet color is beautiful. Look at the size of this island too. It's huge.
Yeah, it's definitely a 4-bed island. You've got upgraded appliances. Look at this 6-burner gas cooktop. You've got the drawers. Everything is just very nice. Tile all the way up. Double oven. I mean, what is it missing? Anything?
No, and I love how big those glass doors are. Those usually you see them smaller. These are fantastic.
Yeah, those are big.
Yeah, I love this kitchen.
As you come on over here, you definitely have a Costco size snack closet.
Oh, wow, look at that. You sure do.
But Patrice, my favorite part of this whole house is right here. Look
It's
at
not
this.
just a dining room, is it?
Look at all the windows, the picture windows. They're all over the place. There's a whole wall of them.
Oh my gosh.
So you've got this dining area, how it's set up, and then you've got, I can just picture coffee in the morning, especially when it's like been 45 degrees.
This is phenomenal.
You know, sitting here talking about our day, which one of our clients we're helping that day, etc.
What we're gonna film.
What we're gonna film on our 90-day.
Look at these windows. You're right. I mean, like, this is great. This space just makes me not want to leave here.
No, that would be the hard part.
Yeah. Wow.
Look at out here. This is, again, a 70-foot lot, right? So
Taylor Morrison has outdone themselves. This is a nice patio.
this is a nice patio. You know, you've got your gas insert, so you can put your fire, or not your fireplace, but you can put a fireplace for sure. But your outdoor kitchen, TV, kind of sitting area. I don't know that I would do dining. I'd have more like a sectional kind of whatever. But 70-foot lots.
Yeah, so you get a pretty decent sized backyard too. I mean, look at this, goes all the way over.
And one of the things
That's nice.
you need to remember is that this is a single story. So the single story plans are gonna take up more space on your lot than a 2-story. So if this isn't what you want a 2-story, remember you're gonna have a bigger backyard because you're gonna have it. It's just not, the footprint's not gonna be the same. Let's go take a look on the other side
Gosh,
of that
yeah.
kitchen.
Oh, on the kitchen, yeah.
Now, back here is your 3-car tandem garage.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, and that comes in right there. So here's your mud area. It's out of the way so no one really sees it.
Yeah, that, you know what, that is really a nice thing.
Yeah, it's blocked. You can't even see it.
Hold on, I gotta look in here. Okay, so it's a big 2-door coat closet. That's amazing.
And then you've got this laundry area.
Oh, this is good. I always love a laundry area with a window in it. It just makes it feel so much better in there. You're not just in a hole like I am in our laundry room.
What I love about it is how tucked away it is. And then right here you've got another linen closet.
So much storage.
Plenty of storage. Now let's go on the other side of the house. That's another thing, guys. If you're looking for multi-generational, or you want the kids to have their own separate wing, this is the floor plan for you.
Yeah, I would have considered this floor plan when, when our kids were young.
Let's go to the primary though.
Okay.
I like primaries that have kind of an entryway.
Yeah, you're not
Its
just
own foyer.
walking right in.
Yeah, it makes it a little more grand. Again, 3 big windows, oversized windows. This is a king-size bed. Again, with huge nightstands on either side. I mean, this is a big room.
Yeah, it's really big, and this furniture, I mean, you can almost do bigger furniture, and this furniture is pretty big.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go over here so you can really get an idea of the space. I mean, it makes that cabinet right there look so tiny.
I like the ceiling accent, and then you've got the double doors to get into the ensuite, and they're not those small doors, right? They're
regular
like
size.
3/4. You got split vanities, which you know I love.
Yes, very nice. Look at the size of this, though. You got a lot of floor space in here.
That's what I was gonna say. You know, I'm not a tub person. We aren't tub people, but look at this soaking tub. What I do like about it is it's tucked away, and so you do have all that open floor space.
Yeah.
Right, so it doesn't feel like it's sticking out in the middle of the room in a trip hazard.
Yeah, it really does. It really fits well in there.
And then right over here is your shower.
Oh, look at
Dual head, nice long bench.
Wow, this is very, very nice.
Yeah, no niche.
That's
You could
okay.
probably put a niche right here when you build it. So pretty nice. And let's see the closet size.
Okay. Let's see, it starts here and then it goes. It's not huge, but it's plenty of space.
Yeah, not huge, but right size. Now, you guys check out this wing. Like again, if you're multi-generational or you have kids and you just want them to have their own space, this is perfect for you because it's tucked away on this side of the house. You go down this long hallway. Again, more linen storage space.
Good.
And then look at this.
This is nice.
They've got their own little kind of living area. Or, like I said, if it's multi-generational, maybe you have parents living with you or whatnot, they can have their own living space and you don't have to, you know, everybody's got their own space. You're not tripping over each other. Look at this room.
This is beautiful.
This room's got its own ensuite bath.
That is nice.
Yeah.
Okay, look at, I really, really love this floor plan.
Yeah, I do too. And then there's 2 bedrooms over here, very similar, and they have a Jack and Jill. So you can see, I mean, good size. This is a full-size bed. Got a big desk here. Nice little walk-in closet. So plenty of space. I can't imagine having this as a kid.
I know, huh? And then you've got the toilet and bathtub right there and shower, and then
They each have their own sink,
They
so they're not
each-
fighting over that.
yeah, that is definitely nice. And then here's the other bedroom.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Well done. Good job, Taylor Morrison.
Good job. So here we are. That is Taylor Morrison's 70-foot product. They have 6 different floor plans to choose from. This one starts off, this is the cheapest at $715,990. They go all the way up to about that $815,990, and that's gonna get you about 4,365 square feet. They have 2 1-stories and 4 2-stories. So something for everyone. Again, this is day 9 of our 90-day challenge. Hit that dream home form, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Helps us out tremendously. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers in the next 90 days. Tell us what you love about this floor plan. And until next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.